What's up, roses? What's good? What's going on? Or should I say born? Wait, I don't even know. Jador? Jador. I don't even know. I'm trying to learn French. I really don't know what this says. Comment down below what this means so I don't have to go on Google Translate. Probably means I'm a jackass. But guys, I missed you. Yes, I've been gone, dead and quiet. I had been going through finals for my school diamond for technology. Yes, IT. You already know, cybersecurity. So yes, I passed all my finals and it was so stressful. So, oh my. I'm just glad it's over. I'm just glad it's over and I'm glad I passed and I'm glad I'm on to mod 2. So yes, I am in school for cybersecurity because, you know, Black excellence don't stop. But what I'm really here to tell you guys is I just need to let y'all know that my lips are popping, right? You like it, cause like you already know, Black girls, we got big lips, you know, juicy, natural, just juicy lips. And when it comes to winter, especially if you ain't drinking your water, if you're not drinking your water, your lips get cracked. So I know you heard me talk about them before, but recently CannaSmack reached out to me. You know, the one that has the hemp chapstick, you know, that smelling good chapstick that pop on it. That's what I got on right now. Pop on it, chapstick. They reached out to your girl and I just, you know, I had these products 2 weeks now and I just been using them out. Especially the first one I need to show you guys is their Happy Token Peach Lotion. And this smells so freaking good. It smells so freaking good. And I think it retails for, let me check. I can't find it. Ship. I can't find how much this one costs. This one's a lost cause. I don't know how much this costs because I lost the paper. But it smells divine. This is actually a really good size they gave me, and I think this is like the smallest. It's 8 fluent ounces. And it's very hydrating. The only thing is the smell goes away. Like, it's not a long lasting smell, like all day long. Like I think it'll stay on you for about like 4 hours, but then the smell just start going away. And you know, I kind of want to smell like this peach all day. Like I can't find this smell anywhere. Like this is so potent. Hold on. And like this is it. And the consistency, as you can see, it goes in really well. I think when it comes, sorry, you know what it smells? It smells like this candy I used to have. It smells like those candies, the chewy ones, the peach candies. The ones that's orange and yellow. That's exactly how it smells, and I love it. It goes away fairly quickly after like 4 hours. That's the only thing about that one. But look, it's moisturized really good. I'm gonna make myself ashy. You know, it goes really well, and it goes a long way. You can see I've been using it out because I use it on my whole body. Like this, I've been using out. This was on the box that they have. Sorry I didn't do an unboxing. I just wanted to try out the product before I even reviewed it. But yeah, this is the cleansing oil, and it's actually been working really well. I use my regular cleansing face cleansers because I like to stick to my routine, because I feel like when you go off your routine, that's when you start breaking out. I've seen that using this like once a week, especially on like a Friday when I have the weekend on, it really helps my skin like just stay moisturized, especially since it's so freaking cold and I'm getting sick and I'm getting mad because the weather can't make a choice. I'm sorry. It's the weather, guys. This is actually really good to have during the winter. And a little goes a long way. Like bunker in a basement long way. This one, I believe, is $20. This is the $40 bottle. And it has a whole bunch of beautiful minerals, and it cleans off the makeup. If you wear makeup, I mean, really wear, like, not like me wear makeup, because I wear makeup once in a while just to, like, you know, just shake everybody, you know, because I can put makeup on really good. If you put makeup on a lot, this comes in handy because it's like an official makeup remover, because it has a whole bunch of different minerals and oils in it. So it takes off that makeup. So it's a really great makeup remover also. We have the toner, and yes, I've been using this, you know. It has a really sweet, like, subtle smell. Like vanilla, how vanilla is very mellow and mute. This is how the smell is. So it smells, all these products smell really, really good. Like, really good. Like, I need to find out where they're getting their scents from. I don't know where they're getting. It's definitely not Michael's. So yeah, this is the hydrating toner spritz. They're Cannasmack Lux brand. And it's really good. It's intense moisturizing, anti-aging, and plumping. As you can see from my lips and my cheeks. I'm 20 years old, so maybe I don't need any anti-aging because I can barely go into anywhere without them thinking I'm like 17. Disrespectful. I know black don't crack, but bitch, I look my age, okay? I look my age. I look 20 years old in my head. Don't disrespect me. When I wear makeup, I look 25, I think. That one costs $28 for that bottle, and I think it goes, cause all these go a really long way. And this is it's a natural inflammatory. Yeah, so it's anti-inflammatory. So, you know, keep everything nice. We have the infused hemp oil, and this actually pairs really well with this, which is the Daily Moisture Retention Cream. So I've been trying to like bond these together. So you just take a little tight. My knees, girl. We ain't gonna even talk about my knees. We ain't gonna. Just know they do the job for my knees, all right? We're not gonna talk about them because right now they're in a sensitive predicament and they don't like to, you know, be thrown out there. So, you know, we're gonna leave them alone. But just know they help the knees out, okay? This jar runs for $38. Hemp oil for this bottle, and mind you, I've been using this a lot, and this is the only dent it made, is $25. And you know, it's intense. Oh yeah, just so you guys know that all these products are Leaping Bunny cruelty free, certified, and vegan, free of paraben, sulfates, and gluten, infused, hemp infused, THC free, psychoactive, and 100% legal, and it's made in the United States. Just so you get a little bit of background of what the company is trying to do. Yes, they are all hemp based. They're not psych, and they're actually really helpful. And if you actually look at what hemp actually does in the beauty industry, you can see that it's better. Hemp oil is better than a lot of oil out there. And I actually tried the this oil in my scalp, and it's actually been helping with a lot of itchiness. So I'm not sure if this is what it's for, but that's what I used it for, and I just massaged my scalp just a little bit. But you know, it helps with this, and it's been helping retain the length on my ends. We have the lip scrub, and this lip scrub, you know, I've been trying to, oh my god, it smells so good, and it's raw sugar and cocoa. You sure I can't put this in like some cupcakes or cake pops or something? I should put this in some pudding. I've been trying to take really better care of myself since last year. I was just not on point. The orange lip scrub costs for this jar costs about $14. Last but not least, my favorites. I can't find my third one. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. But I have this one, which is my favorite, which is the orange one. But I'm lying. This is not my favorite anymore. It still gets love. This is my favorite now. This is their Blue Dream chapstick, and this is my favorite. I'm sorry. I love this one, and I love the other one. I just don't know where the hell it is. I don't know where it went. But I love this. The smell, it smells so good. It smells like how you thought a blueberry would taste. You know, like in the cartoons where you saw blueberries, it smells like what you thought the blueberry pie tastes like. That's what it smells. It smells so good. Like, I love it. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm trying to figure out where they're getting these scents from, because you have to buy them. And I want to know who's their dealer. Forget the hemp. Who's your dealer for the scents? That's the real things. They are $3.99 each. And they have so many other flavors. They have bubblegum. They have the watermelon. I have not tried that yet. They have the peach, and that's the one I lost. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in the vicinity of my house. Somewhere. I don't know where, though. I think they have a lemon one. And then the blue dream. So, you know, try them out. They have vitamin A, B, D, and E. Omega-3, omega-6, fatty acids. You know, a whole bunch of stuff that you just need in your lip. And they have another one that they have is banana OG and plain Mary Jane. It's used with, the ingredients are hemp seed oil and carnauba wax. I tried it and I accomplished it. You know I can't pronounce words pretty well, so don't judge me. I am really grateful that CannaSmack actually reached out to me. It makes me feel like I'm actually doing something on my platform. And, you know, I'm just trying to be as fun and actually make this something on this platform. I'm trying to just enjoy what I do, and I'm glad that I'm being recognized so early while I'm doing it. And even though I've been stressful, I'm trying to keep it consistent. Just remember, I am a school student, and my classes are very intense, 80-minute classes each. Technology, hardware, and cybersecurity. It drives a girl insane. I'm trying really hard. You guys know the next video is going to be my link checked. I've been still taking the main choice pills, so you know that. And then I know I screwed up because this is the month of Halloween and I really wanted to do some Halloween looks. I actually had so much face paint that I wanted to use, and I can't. I mean, I can still do some cute looks anyway, you know. Halloween, for me, it's every day, you know, it's every day. I'm gonna be trying to put out some new videos, some nice cute hair tutorials, and just see where it leads. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, roses, I'll see you later.
CannaSmack.